is the things that the eyes can see. But the most important training that I've been working on for Miss Universe is really the emotional strength. It's so different, the pressure that you feel when you carry like the hopes and the stories of like all the Philippines. So that's really the thing that I'm training for.
Wow, so elegant. Why do you want to be Miss Universe?
I really want to serve as an inspiration, a symbol of hope that it doesn't matter where you come from in life, it doesn't matter your circumstances, you can make your dreams happen if you just work hard.
Wow.
Are you meeting up with Miss Universe Thailand? Do you have a chance?
Or Kunan?
I really want to. I hope it's in our schedule, but so far I don't know if she's even here or if it's scheduled or anything. But hopefully I do get to meet her and Miss Kunan.
Ah, yes.
Are you doing any photo shoots or commercials with some brands here?
Tomorrow I know at Miss Universe we're doing photo shoots. I'm just not quite sure if these are with brands. But that's all I know. Feeling ko surprised din what they're gonna make me do here. So I'm excited.
Pasabog. Ito na ba yung umpisa ng pasabog mo leading up to Miss Universe?
No. Nagulat nga yan ako, may ganito palang pasabog.
Oo.
But I'm very excited.
Oo.
But there's going to be a send-off again for your official
Of course,
Miss Universe.
of course. Ito, 3 days lang ako dito. So, ano lang to, quick trip. Hindi pa ito ang totoong departure. May pagbabalik pa ako sa
Warm up
Thailand.
lang.
Wow, ginawang Manila and Quiapo. Ang bangkok. Okay, if you win Miss Universe this year, what can you offer to the community that we haven't seen before?
I haven't seen before. I think just really being the, just really being the, sharing my story. Because, of all the 70 other Miss Universe candidates that the Philippines has sent, all of us is a unique and different story. So I really hope that mine would be a unique story of perseverance and hard work and making sure that you make your dreams.
Okay, last question. Why the Miss Universe organization choose you as their queen for this year's edition?
I really hope that they choose me and hope that they see in me the queen that they are looking for.
Wow, simple and precise. Ang ganda. Can you give us a